Yeah.
Now, your team also worked on the Iconic W12 engine, so can you explain a little bit more about what's been done there?
Yeah, we love the 12-cylinder engine. Adrian mentioned that we have sold more than 100,000 over lifetime, and we made it even more powerful, this engine. That means we have a 4% increase in power. We have now 659 horsepower with 900 Newton meter of torque, and that gives really an extraordinary, fantastic power. It's a very sovereign driving, effortless driving, as we like to say. But it's also the most advanced 12-cylinder in the world. It has this power refinement, but it's also very economically. That means we have a cylinder deactivation. We can deactivate one bank of that engine. Yeah? That means we can deactivate 6-cylinder in a partly load, which really improves the fuel efficiency. And all that makes that engine really outstanding. And then we also recalibrated the engine gearbox in order to have faster gear changes, to be more sporty, but also seamless on the comfortable side.
Now, last time we met, Matthias, it was at the launch of Beyond 100, which is Bentley's vision of sustainability for the future. So how does a new W12 6-litre car fit into that?
To be honest, we think it fits really well. Yeah, because I think it's the cleanest 12-cylinder engine you can buy. It's a very clean combustion engine, and we are on a long road to Beyond 100. We fully believe in Beyond 100. That means we will have the cars. Today we have some cars already, or we have this plug-in hybrid version. We will have more this year, more in the coming years. We will have our first battery electric vehicle by the mid of the decade, and we will have all cars 100% electrified by the end of the decade. That means by 2030. But it's a long journey. It's not a 0 or 1. Yeah? And we are totally convinced in Bentley that means with clean combustion car, it definitely makes a sense to have also a future, or to have the way to the future. And the GT Speed is definitely the celebration of that, of the current Bentley. It's a pinnacle of the Bentley, and brings it really to the future. And I have to remind, this car is built in an absolutely carbon neutral production plant. Yeah? That means it's really also sustainable.
Yeah, and what other ways are you working on to make this car more sustainable for the future?
Yeah, as I said already, we think this car for a combustion car is pretty sustainable, but one major factor which is relevant for the future is that we also, on the total circle, that we look also for synthetic fuels, especially made of water and of sun energy. And this synthetic fuel would really could reduce the CO2 or the carbon footprint of an internal combustion car significantly to nearly 0. And that's something we are working on that. And the good thing is, yeah, Adrian mentioned that more than 80% or 84% of our built Bentleys are still running. And that means also that car, this nice speed, I'm sure this car will run for a long time. And with synthetic fuel, with a carbon neutral fuel, you can approach all our Bentleys, but in a little bit broader view, you can approach all running ICE cars or internal combustion engine cars in the future. And that means that's relevant for us. We are looking for that. We are researching for that. And probably in summer, we can tell a little bit more details about that.
Great stuff. Thank you so much. And that concludes the engineering side of things. But the GT Speed also has style to match the abilities, and we caught up with 3 members of the design team who are going to show us some more details.
Hello, my name is Crispin Marshfield. I'm an exterior designer at Bentley Motors, and I'm proud to introduce to you today the new Bentley Continental GT Speed. Okay, so the Bentley Continental GT has always been defined by 3 key exterior lines. That is the fastback roof line, the power line over the front wheel, and the haunch line over the rear wheel. But with the Speed, we've introduced a number of subtle but effective enhancements that really amplify the muscular character of the car. Starting with this new sill, with this strong 3-dimensional section that catches light and really pins the car down, giving it a very sporting stance. And also we have a new Speed badge on the front fender, making the car instantly identifiable. So the front of the car features the typical unique Bentley face with the 4-round crystal cut headlamps and the large rectangular grille. And the grille itself features a unique new dark tint finish to the matrix for both the upper and lower grills. So the most obvious new feature to the exterior of the Speed is this new 22-inch wheel, which is an evolution of previous Speed wheels with its multi-spoke design, but it now has this kind of twin spoke design with a chunkier section. And the wheel is available in dark tint, as seen here, or bright silver. This car features the gloss black wheel finish, which perfectly complements the black pack, which replaces all of the chrome trim on the car with a gloss black finish instead. So the combination of all of these design elements help make the new Continental GT Speed the ultimate Grand Tourer. I'll now hand over to Darren Day, who'll take you through the interior design.
Hello, my name's Darren Day and I'm Head of Interior Design at Bentley Motors. So Bentley is the only car company that uses its badge as inspiration for the interior. These wings on the Bentley badge inspired the shape of the wings. So this trim and badging is unique to the Speed, and like all Bentleys can be further enhanced and personalised if desired, with a choice of 15 main hide and 11 secondary hide colours, and of course you get this amazing unique Speed colour split on this interior. The enhanced design of the new digital dials on the dashboard and the Speed logo usage appears when the engine's turned on. Sports pedals and Speed tread plate plaques are also a standard, packed with exquisite detail, a technologically advanced instrument panel, and of course the acclaimed Bentley rotating display. The new driver-focused model widens the Continental GT performance credentials. So I've taken you through the interior design. Now I'm going to hand over to Maria, who's going to tell you all about the colour and trim.
My name is Maria Mulder and I am Head of Colour and Trim at Bentley Motors. The Continental GT Speed has a unique colour split which is offered with both hide and Alcantara. We also have an Alcantara steering wheel. So we have a striking dark tint engine turned aluminium which can be offered with our new open pore veneers such as the dark stained burr walnut, crown cut walnut and koa. These can be selected. As you can see, there are 3 stunning metallic paints on display here. Candy red is a sporting red with an incredible depth of colour. This hot red has a complex combination of ingredients that can create a molten, almost liquid effect that looks like it's been poured over the body, a discerning twist on the traditional candy finish. Julep is a diverse combination of colours that have been blended together to create this warm green gold of julep. The metallic gold, tempered by subtle undertones of green, it adds a distinctive edge to this eye-catching Mulliner paint. Verdant is a modern metallic interpretation on British racing green, which is synonymous with Bentley race cars in the 1920s and 30s. The unique and more purposeful styling applied to the exterior and interior of the Continental GT Speed firmly positions the car as the most powerful, performance-focused interpretation of the ultimate luxury Grand Tourer.